Next phylum Mollusca. Mollusca means soft-like body. Soft-bodied organisms are included in the mollusca. These organisms are, molluscans are soft body structure. Second largest phylum, mollusca is second largest. Mollusca is second largest phylum. First largest phylum is Arthropoda. Second is mollusca. General characters of mollusca. Habitat. These are terrestrial and aquatic. Both freshwater and marine water organisms. Habits. Mostly all are free living organisms. These are triploblastic organisms. Organization. Levels of organization. Organ system level of organization. Symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. Except adult gastropods. Generally these are bilateral symmetrical, except adult gastropods are asymmetrical. Coelom. These are schizocoelomates. This schizocoelom is replaced by hemolymph. So coelom is hemocoel. Vaginal coelom present around the kidneys, gonads and the pericardial space. Kidneys, gonads and pericardial spaces. Next, body. Body is unsegmented. Body is covered by calcareous shell. Calcareous shell formed by calcium carbonate. Body is covered by calcareous shell. Shell is formed by calcium carbonate. Generally shell is external, but some organisms has internal shell. Some are absent in shell. Internal shell. Internal. Aplasia. It means commonly called sea hair. Sea hair has internal shell. Sepia. Loligo. Aplasia, sepia, loligo. These organisms has internal shell. Shell is absent in octopus. In octopus, shell is absent. Next, body is divided into three regions. Head, muscular foot, shell, muscular foot, visceral mass. Head, muscular foot and visceral mass. body is divided into three regions: head, muscular foot, and visceral mass. Head. Head contains, anterior region of the head contains sensory tentacles. Sensory tentacles. Head is well developed. Next, body is covered by soft spongy skin. This is called mantle. Body is covered by soft spongy skin called mantle. Mantle secretes shell. Mantle secretes shell. Calcium carbonate shell. This is visceral mass. Mantle surrounds the visceral mass. In between the mantle and visceral mass, the space present between the mantle and visceral mass is called mantle cavity. Mantle cavity. The space present between the visceral mass and the mantle is called mantle cavity. Mantle cavity contains gills. Mantle cavity contains gills. Digestive system. Buccal cavity contains file-like rasping organ. File-like rasping organ. Buccal cavity contains file-like rasping organ. This rasping organ is called radula. Radula. Radula helps for the feeding. Radula helps for feeding. The buccal cavity contains file-like rasping organ called radula. Radula helps for the feeding. Radula absent in scapopoda and bivalvia. Scapopoda and bivalvia. Radula absent in scapopoda and bivalvia. Some bivalves contain crystalline style. Some bivalves contain crystalline style in their stomach. Crystalline style helps for the digestion of starch. In some bivalves, crystalline style present in the stomach. Crystalline style helps for the digestion of starch. We also discussed about crystalline cone. Crystalline cone present in the ommatidium. This is crystalline style. Crystalline style present in the some bivalve stomach. This is helps for the digestion of starch. Next, respiratory system. Respiration through gills. Respiration through gills. Gills are feather-like gills. Gills are feather-like. These feather-like gills are also called ctenidia. Gills are respiratory organs. Gills are feather-like. These feather-like gills are also called ctenidia. These are present in the mantle cavity. The respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. Hemocyanin also present in the crustaceans. In crustaceans, respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. In molluscans, hemocyanin also respiratory pigment. Next, circulatory system. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is open type. Open type of circulatory system. But in cephalopoda. But in cephalopoda, circulatory system is closed type. All molluscans are open type of circulatory system except cephalopoda. Cephalopoda has closed type of circulatory system. Cephalopoda has closed type of circulatory system. Next, excretory system. Excretory organs are metanephridia. Metanephridia. These are also called kidney. Also called renal organ. Renal organ or pericardial gland. Pericardial gland. Respiratory organ, excretory organs are metanephridia or kidney or renal organ or pericardial gland. Nervous system. Nervous system consists of ganglia, commissures and connectives. Nervous system consists of ganglia, commissures and connectives. Sense organs. Sense organs are tentacles. Tentacles. Some organisms contain asperadium. Asperadium. Asperadium present in gastropods and bivalve. Gastropods and bivalves contain asperadium. Asperadium is a chemoreceptor. Asperadium is a chemoreceptor. It helps for the purity of water. Helps for the test the purity of water. Identify the purity of water. Asperadium. Next, reproductive system. These are unisexual organisms. Unisexual organisms. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Fertilization is internal fertilization. These are oviparous. Oviparous organisms. Development is indirect development. These organisms, the principal larva in mollusca is veliger larva. The principal larva in molluscan is veliger larva. These are the general characters of mollusca. Next, classification of mollusca. Mollusca has 7 classes. These are Aplacophora, Polyplacophora, Monoplacophora, Gastropoda, Scapopoda, Pelecypoda and Cephalopoda. These are the 7 classes of mollusca. Aplacophora. A means absent. Placo means shell. Shell is absent in these organisms. These are primitive worm-like organisms. Aplacophorans are primitive worm-like organisms. Examples: Neometra chaetoderma. Neometra chaetoderma. In these organisms, foot and shell are absent. Next, Polyplacophora. Poly means many. Placo means shells. 8 shells. 8 shells present on the skull. And the 8 plates present on the shell. Polyplacophora contains trochophore larva. Polyplacophora contains trochophore larva. Examples of Polyplacophora. Chaetophylla. Chaetophylla. Chaetophylla commonly called chiton. Chaetophylla commonly called chiton. Chiton has 8 plates present on the shell. Next, Monoplacophora. Mono, single, placo, plates. Monoplacophora has single plate, single shell. Example of Monoplacophora is Neopilina galatea. Neopilina is living fossil. We also discussed about Arthropoda. Arthropoda living fossil, Limulus. Arthropoda living fossil is Limulus. In Mollusca, living fossil is Neopilina galatea. Internal segmentation. Internal segmentation present in the Neopilina galatea. Important point. Generally, molluscans are unsegmented body, but Neopilina has internal segmentation. Internal segmentation. It is a living fossil. Next, Gastropoda. Gastropoda. Gastro means belly. Poda means food. Food present in the belly region. Gastropods contains Veliger larva and Tarnaria larva. Veliger larva. Gastropods contain Veliger larva. Examples of gastropods: Phyla, commonly called apple snail. Aplysia, commonly called sea hare. Next, Doris, sea lemon. Doris means sea lemon. Gastropods exhibit special feature. This unique nature of gastropods. Gastropods during embryonic development, the mass, visceral mass of the one side, faster growth to the another side of the organs, another side of the visceral mass. This uneven growth causes rotation of the body into 180 degree. So, mouth, this is anus. Mouth and anus are present on same line, same direction. This is anus, this is mouth. This process is called torsion. Torsion is caused by one side of the visceral mass faster growth than another side of the visceral mass. So, body rotates 180 degree. This process is called torsion. We also discussed about adult gastropods are asymmetrical. Larval stage of gastropod is bilateral symmetry. But in adult stage, due to torsion, adult gastropods are asymmetrical. Adult gastropods are asymmetrical. Next, Scapopoda. Scapopoda. Larvas of Scapopoda is Tarnaria and Veliger larva. These organisms contain captacula. These captacula helps for the capturing of prey. Radula absent in Scapopoda. Radula helps for the feeding. Radula absent, so captacula helps for the food capturing. Scapo means boat shape. Boat shape shell present in scapopods. Or elephant tusk shell. Examples of Scapopoda is Dentalium. dentalium, commonly called tusk shell. Next, Pelecypoda or bivalvia. Bivalvia. By two. By means two. Valvia means valves. Two valves. These are bivalves. Two shells are present in bivalves. Pelecy. Pelecy means wedge shape. Poda means foot. Wedge shaped foot present in pelecypods. Shells are two shells. So these are called bivalves. In these organisms, the larvae are Tarnaria, Veliger larva and Glochidium larva. Tarnaria, Veliger and Glochidium larva. Veliger larva. First, Glochidium. Glochidium larva is only parasitic larva in the molluscans. Important. Glochidium is modified to parasitic mode of life. Only parasitic larva present. Glochidium is only one parasitic larva in the mollusca. It is the larva of Unio. Unio larva is Glochidium larva. Next, byssus threads. Byssus threads present in the bivalves. These byssus threads helps for the attachment of substratum. Attachment of substratum. Examples of bivalvia. Unio, freshwater mussel. Unio commonly called freshwater mussel. Next, Mytilus, marine water mussel. Mytilus, marine water mussel. Pinctada, paralyzed. Pinctada, paralyzed. Next, Cephalopoda. Cephalopoda. Well-developed molluscan class is Cephalopoda. Cephalo means head. Poda means foot. Foot present in the head region. Eyes are well developed in cephalopods. Eyes are well developed in cephalopods. Next, brain case. First word, brain case. Brain case. Cartilaginous brain case. Brain case is formed by cartilage. Brain case is formed in molluscans. Class is Cephalopoda. Brain case protect the brain. These organisms contain siphon and ink glands. Siphon helps for the swift movement, fast movement, and ink glands. Ink glands, some organisms contain ink glands. These produce ink-like substance. This is dark color, black color. Ink glands helps for the escaping from the predators. Ink glands helps for the escaping from the predators. Next, larval stages are absent in cephalopods. Larval stages are absent in cephalopods. All classes, the circulatory system is open type except cephalopoda. Cephalopoda, the circulatory system in cephalopoda is closed type. Arms are, foot is modified into arms. Foot is modified into arms. Octopus. Octo means 8. Octopus contain 8 arms. 8 arms. 8 arms. Sepia and Loligo contains 10 arms. 10 arms. Examples of cephalopoda. Sepia, octopus, Loligo. Sepia commonly called cuttlefish. Octopus, devilfish. Loligo, squid. Loligo, squid.